This is topic C on page 74, adding a screen recording. Adding a video created externally can provide an added visual boost to any presentation. PowerPoint is also able to record videos of the actions you take on your computer. The Insert Screen Recording controls allows you to select a portion of your screen and then record and capture a set of actions that you perform on the selected portion. While you record your on-screen actions, you can also include a narrative audio. Once you stop recording, the captured video is directly inserted in your presentation, along with the audio-video controls. This feature is particularly helpful when you want to include demonstrations in your presentation. So here I actually have two files open. I have a blank presentation up on my main screen here. And if I hover over my PowerPoint icon, I have a company awards presentation as well. Now let's say I was actually creating a presentation on how to insert an image into PowerPoint. I just wanted to give a demonstration on how to do that. And instead of actually going through the steps live, I had inserted a screen recording on how to do that in one of my slides. So here on slide number 2, I have a blank slide, and this is where I wanted to insert my screen recording of how to do that. I would go up to my Insert tab, and in my media group, here I have a screen recording command. Now, once I click this button, it's automatically going to transfer me to my other presentation that I have open. So I'm going to hit that button, and you can see it brings me to the company awards presentation. And I have a little control bar up at the top here. I have a record button, a stop button once it starts recording and how much time has elapsed, select area, audio, and record pointer. Now these are activated to show on screen. You want to record your actual pointer on screen, or you want to record the audio as well. And now I'm recording this over the server and not on my actual computer, so I don't know if it will pick up my audio or not. If I was doing it directly on my main desktop, it would definitely pick up my audio. And also I'm recording this video, so my microphone is being used by a different program, so it may not pick up my audio. But you can choose which area of your screen you wanted to include in that recording. So maybe I didn't want, my taskbar at the bottom. So I didn't want to include that. So if I click Select Area, I can click and drag the section that I want to include in the video clip. So I'm going to go for my Quick Access toolbar, click and drag all the way down just to include my status bar. I'm not going to include my taskbar with my icons on the bottom. And once I select that, you can see my record button becomes available to me. So I'm going to record the steps of me inserting an image into one of my slides. So just for demonstration purposes, like I was trying to demonstrate this to someone else and teach them how to do it. So I'm going to hit my record button, and when I do that, I'll get a countdown. It tells me Windows logo, Shift, and the letter Q to stop recording. So right now my screen's being recorded in this section. So let's say I went down to slide number 4 and I wanted to insert an image here. I would go up to my Insert tab, and in my Images command group, select Pictures. And here I have an image of Charlie Brown. I'm going to select that and click Insert. Now I could demonstrate how to select it and reposition it on screen. Just click and drag. Maybe I wanted to add a picture effect with some presets. Maybe I was demonstrating on how. Just to show that, we'll give him a little shadow there with preset number 5. All right, and those are the steps to how to just simply insert a graphic into one of your slides. So now I want to stop recording. I'm going to hold down my Windows key on my keyboard, my Shift key, and the letter Q. It has stopped recording, and it took that whole screen recording, that whole video, and it inserted it into my blank presentation, my blank slide on my other presentation where I started. And now I have this video recording. I'm going to press play. Again, I don't know if the audio is going to come through because my microphone is being used by another application, and I'm also on the remote server, so I'm not sure. So I'm going to go ahead and press play. And I do not hear any audio coming through. So again, it is being used by another program. But you can see it's showing all of my steps that I just recorded from my other presentation. All right, so a good way for demonstration purposes on how to do something. And you have, once you insert the screen recording into your slide, it becomes a video. So all of the options that you have for your video tools contextual tab on your format and playback tabs, you have for the screen recording. All right, so I'll pause here. And the next video will be activity 5.4 on page 75.